Okay, now the cookie is ready. It's time to make the royal icing. The bag is like this. This is pre-made. All you need to do is just add water to it. They have the instruction normally on the back. So I just measured a third of a cup of royal icing in each bowl. I'm just gonna mix it and make it different color. And add water little by little. So I just add 2 teaspoons of the water in it. It looks like this. That should be ready. Don't make it too dry, otherwise you won't be able to squeeze it out. And if it's too wet, it will just make it everywhere. So add tiny bit lemon juice for taste. And then let's use a decorating bag to put it inside. You can use a glass to staple it like this. We finished the white one. Just squeeze everything down. And if you can, just close from the end so it won't go everywhere. We'll use the same way to make some other colors. To make the color, we're going to use the food color. And this one is a gel base, so it won't get any watery. Let's just open it. So now this is the Christmas red that I want. If you want to make it darker, then just keep adding the red food color until you're happy. To cut the tip, just remember make it as small as you can. But it can't be too small that you cannot squeeze it out. So let's just cut it a little. I think now is okay. Let's try one. Let's do a Christmas tree first. So for the Christmas tree, you need to do the outline first, and then fill it all in green. Since when you do it, it's going to be uneven on the surface, you use something sharp like toothpick, anything that you can, and just blend it, make it the surface good. Okay, next we'll do the glove. So it's going to be white here and red here and white here. Let's do white first. So we're trying to do some pattern on the glove. We're trying to do the little heart. So first thing is do the base color, and before it dried up, put some white color on it, like dots. You just straight down in between all the dots. So it will look like this. And another decoration is if you want your glove to look fuzzy, when it's half dry, you use the toothpick and then kind of poke it. And thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like. Thank you. Champagne is best friend when you're cooking.
You're not cooking.
Baking.